Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I am sorry, I'm kind of late with this, like everything else, but I'm catching up. This is, MelodySusie sent me this, I think for the month of May. They try to send me something once a month for that month to show you guys, and I think it's been probably 3 months since I don't know, they said they were sending me a couple of different things and then that didn't pan out, whatever. Very sweet of them to think of me and to help my channel and to show you guys new stuff that they've got going on. This is your nail box. This is my nail box. Don't ask me what is on my nails. This is a thermal, and I actually had to put more thermal powder in this one because the thermal died in it. What is it? Teenage Witch. It was a PPU, and I do not have it in the room with me, so it doesn't matter. All right, let's take a look at this. I haven't opened it yet. Ooh, hold on. Okay. Open your new nail art journey. I can't get it fitted under here. Hold on. And there is a bunch of crinkly stuff. It's like paper Easter grass. All right, let me get this all out and we'll see what's in here. I don't think it's nail art stuff though. I think it's like tools. All right, so first up we have some lint-free wipes, which is good because I am at the bottom of my Madam Glam ones. Always need these. And they sent me a sack o' tips, nail tips. These are fast application, strong, thin, made to last, pre-shaped gel extensions. I can tell right now, this shape is not good for me. They're too straight and flat. But they will be awesome for me to do nail art on and just do videos with. But I mean, I like the shape okay, but like oh, they do have an apex. Okay, these might work actually then. Yeah, they're way too long, of course, but actually, I should have checked before I said anything. I thought they were like the super flat ones, and I am definitely not a fan of those, but these actually might work. And my nails are tiny. This is I think this is a 9. Yes, this is a 9, and fits my middle finger, and I think it only goes up to 11. Yeah, there's 12 sizes, 0 through 11. So a 9 is my middle finger. That's how tiny my fingernail beds are. So a lot of these will not fit me ever. I'm thinking the biggest one is my thumb. It is probably going to be maybe a 7. And if you can hear that background noise, that is a little water fountain I have going. Here, let's see if I can get my camera flipped up so you can see it. Another distraction for me besides the birds and the dog and everything else. You know, because I need more distraction while I'm sitting here doing things. Next is some file sanding bands. Let's see. They're 150. So those are, I'm going to say, more of a medium. I use like the 260 mostly. Super fine ones. So it does come with a mandible, whatever that thing is. to hold the sanding band. Yeah, I would consider this like a medium grit. The ones I use right now are from Profiles Backstage, and these are fine. That is just a little more coarse, so I think I will like these. Actually, I use these mostly just for taking off polish, so I think these would be nice. And a lot of times their sanding bands I find to be pretty cheap quality, but these seem a much nicer quality than the ones that come in just like other stuff. Sorry, it's how I feel. And then we have another. Ooh, this one's nice. Nail drill bit. Duh. I'm not drinking. This is not a tipsy tips video. This is, ooh, so nice. That is very nice. This I'm going to say is pretty coarse cone bit. This is going to be for taking off more bulk than I'm used to taking off, but that is very smooth and nice. It's not super coarse. I'm going to say that's a medium because I don't see anywhere on here that says, but the color coding may be what it is. Yeah, it doesn't say anywhere, and sometimes it says like on the end, but there's no letter on there because they'll have an F for fine, M for medium, and C for coarse. That is a very nice quality drill bit. Okay, now we have a little bag full of other tools. Ooh. Oh, okay. Very nice. Cutters, choppers. My daughter just took, ooh, those are nice. My daughter just took my favorite ones. So I kept a tip out. Let's see. Okay, good. I don't like it when it snaps it so hard that it flings the piece around, and I don't feel there's a little bit of a nubbin left there. Let's see. Oh, that cut much more smooth. That is very smooth.
From educalingo.com.
Nobody's talking to you. Alexa, shut up. Ugh. She's so nosy. That is very nice. Really nice. And then another package, all nice. Very nice. Oh, and that's covered because that may be sharp. Cuticle pusher. Nice and smooth, no rough edge on there. That one is very sharp. Now, most of them I have aren't that sharp. This end isn't that sharp. That is really sharp. Absolutely be careful with that. And that is really sharp too. I do need to do my cuticles. So absolutely I will keep that protection on that one because that is sharper than most of them. And there is more what I'm used to using. Again, that one is pretty sharp. And this one, I think the other ones I have don't have two sides on it. This is for scraping polish off gel when you've soaked it, and you can scrape the gel off. And then a pair of cuticle nippers. Desperate in need of a new pair of these. And again, I don't clip other people's cuticles. I push them back and then hit them with a file, like a really fine band, because I do not want to clip anyone, and I am bad about that. It's scary, okay? Those are nice. These will be for my use only anyway. All right, so I think this is a really nice box. A lot of useful things. I'm for my personal use, things that I use like this that can be sanitized and I use on other people. It's not very long before I'm replacing those and passing that stuff down to myself, and I end up with kind of dull and secondhand things. I still, don't get me wrong, I sanitize it, and I keep stuff that I use on myself separately than I use on other people. So I do appreciate this. Now I can have some new stuff for myself, and because I just replaced a bunch of things of tools that I used on other people, and I replaced those because I don't know, after you sanitize them so often and they sit in barbicide or alcohol, they deteriorate. So you do need to replace quite often if you do other people's nails. If you don't, then this is a really nice set to get for yourself. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching and joining me. Please go check out everything MelodySusie has. I absolutely recommend all their stuff, especially their drills. I cannot talk enough about their drills. If you don't have one of their nail drills, splurge on yourself for sure and get one. They last really well, even in a professional use kind of setting. All right, guys, thank you. Bye. Hello, Riley. I saw you had company today. There's this older man with a little granddaughter that Villado met uptown. And he comes by every few days with her on a lawnmower just to visit Riley. Her so sweet girl. Yeah, her likes having friends too. Penny, if you knock my plant over. It is 74 degrees, sunny, a slight breeze. It is gorgeous today. There's my salon window. And I finally got most of my flowers out. A few things didn't make it over the winter. My jade that I've had for 23 years died. But I do have some pieces of it that I think are going to make it. So, waiting on Alex. He is moving out officially today. He's got an apartment in Evansville where he went to school. And there he is. Is he alone? So, Alex's first apartment. His front door. Down the steps. Nice yard. Living room, kitchen situation, closet, and bedroom. Bathroom. It has 3 closets, and one of them is a walk-in.